le untuk majuan alcohol chemical properties kan sesuatu semua kelas masalah property pakatan kanzera majuan le alcohol property unique kan dia ethanol hi example kan la single bond pali oma heavy strong sigma bond ni chuanin hemi bond siap tu carbon company atom minang pati bond siama asoma carbon and oxygen uiga oxygen and hydrogen uiga hemi bond breaking cancer to a class salama bond break to one H class of its own acid ni tuna hian hemi bond breaking kan endera ata bond break to OH minus its own OH minus affects over base in a basic property in the Tony. So a positive here C plus carbon catalyst over reactivity that's it. Alcohol reactivity and to an alcohol pair. Alcohol classification consider to OH isang to carbon to dam pakat pahit at kumaliwangi may tertiary alcohol niya OH isang to carbon to dam pakat niya secondary niya asang to carbon to dam pakat niwangi primary OH isang to carbon to mga niwa chuan primary ay positive so methyl nanti kaniya so reactivity chuan OH minus ang suwa angaya OH minus suwa mother a weakest bond and OH minus suwa mother dola to a most reactive na dola at therefore to OH minus suwa do carbon in break hanggang ni dola ni tumera tuan methyl radical methyl carbon ni siya mga tuan primary alcohol tuan primary carbon ni siya mga secondary alcohol means secondary carbon catalyst siya nga le tadi han carbon catalyst kan dia neutral compound charge compound au mani chuan neutral compound ni amen so stable ni tuna carbon catalyst kan hi charge nei ka avai na metro unstable compound dia charge tem tama khan stability hai kan peroni tuna hian tertiary carbon catalyst kan chuan class ni tu C hian alcohol pathum heng alcohol kan ti hi electron release group kan dia carbon catalyst C plus sama hian electron minus affect cuma chuan minus affect bangin nadilaya carbon catalyst plus affect so kan secondary carbon catalyst hian electron release group ini ya primary ya electron release group methyl ya electron release group ani hedwa cuma heta ya positive density sam berla atema berla masa tu tertiary carbon catalyst chuan there are three electron release groups electron release group inductive effect ya positive inductive effect electron release group is chuan a weakest ani acha over polar ni amar chu emo ape kimfuma minus ape kimfuma plus ape dora heta dia minus expo kuma tera plus ape bera a most stable a hector dora a hector dora heta hector dora cuma methyl primary secondary tertiary alcohol kala OH minus basic property dia OH minus affect so chikan hetilai carbon catalyst stability hani dora methyl primary te atama OH minus affects wa net low unstable to ma my chuan secondary te tertiary tama OH minus affects wa net stable to on chuan affects on sa so chuma chun tertiary alcohol here OH minus so padra secondary india primary methyl so padra chuma chuan alcohol reactivity as well primary alcohol reactive secondary alcohol So the tertiary alcohol reactive versus secondary alcohol here, primary alcohol here, methyl alcohol here, this reactive honey. So na alo umta entina and compound option A, B, C, D is alcohol honey. Now we classify one methyl here, primary here, secondary here, tertiary alcohol here. Question up, which of the following alcohol react fastest with sodium hydroxide? And sodium hydroxide is alcohol that he react on. Who are the reaction? Koi compound here react fastest and gives one. Sodium hydroxide is base in the any base is one, a react with acid and the so alcohol is acidic strength order and methyl alcohol is very different here. Most acidic compound methyl alcohol will react fastest with sodium hydroxide. So which of the following compound react fastest with hydrochloric acid? Here hydrochloric acid the alcohol react one of the reaction fastest reaction chapter down reaction must be alcohol is acid and leading and react with acid and level to acid level to react with a stronger acid value alcohol is acid and basic property basic property basic property always minus always minus and social so tertiary most stable number D reaction organic compound functional group COOH acid group acid here organic compound functional group hydroxyl group alcoholic group OH alcohol. Reaction dehydration which removal of colors in the acid reacts with base water acid reacts with acid with alcohol alcohol reacts with alcohol and dehydration. Here acid alcohol react dehydration water molecule at smoke. 2001 water molecule soda only. Here carboxylic acid can always swap alcohol to H at swap and each one. The reaction very much on react as a bond breaking umaya a bond for this and bonding 14 are react and a bond breaking considered for. Here a bond breaker between hydroxyl oxygen atom carbonyl carbon bond breaker. Here the carbonyl carbon atom oxygen a bond breaker between some line. As of one CH3CO OCH2CH3. Plus ethyl dehydration water product HCl here product HCl here RCOOR ethyl acetate ethyl ethanoic yes already net both background sini na kalian dia here acid kan here OH swap all here H alcohol swap when it's one dehydration when it's one here alcohol when OH swap they might so now we have to bond break oxygen there. Here carbon combination when it's one CH3COO CH2CH3 plus acid alcohol combination bulkatara compound in CS score. Amar so we reaction and dissolve and dissolve so we dissolve some data so alcohol oxygen here isotopic form O18 oxygen and isotopic form of human and here O816 and here O817 and O818 here atom the oxygen in atom of same elements having atomic number per same atomic number but different mass number. Atom of same element and the atomic number per a mass number in Antaroli. And one mass number in Antaroli is what? nucleus alai mo hian proton le neutron oma number of proton equal to atomic number pariat ni chon proton ko pariat omani chuanin heta proton number of proton le number of neutron ka bel hian mass number lo chu ka a mass number so por ko ni chuan proton por ko chon neutron ka proton pariat chon neutron ka pariat om bel ni ania heta chuan proton ka pariat oma mass number so pasare ni chuan neutron ka pakwa om tinan lo ni ta ba atomic number pariat nia proton pariat nia mass number so pariat ni bangin neutron chu so ani ko heta a number of neutron dama no va mass number lo dama ta today ni chuan e isotopes ka is one isotopes is one atom of same element having same atomic number but different mass numbers and one mass number dama ne ka is one due to different number of neutron isotope ni chu so heta oxygen kana D4 so a most abundant form O860 ni da and O870 le O880 ni chu fraction ne ko ba masika ka heta dihydration kendan proof na kana ka alcohol oxygen kan a isotope of 80 na level dan hetia ka level chuan O880 na ka a isotope form ka heta he na do na amaro chu an boiso ka level chuan hetia ka level chuan water ka O18 ka an do na ni scientist na buwa air sara oxygen na chuan a isotope for 80 na rom di kan chu chu ta he hi result na nia a result hi reaction hi result hi na ani chuan acid alcohol hi ka compound is here chu air sara is here he reaction hi esterification reaction hi no ta chuan ni chuan enge esterification reaction chu preparation of ester when acid reacts with alcohol in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Then have reaction is reversible. Forward direction of and backward order. Acha chu ester chu liquid ania filling to the media. Water ko liquid ani. Liquid nan dura and mix up. Kaya mix chia kan he ester liquid hian a hydrolyzed state in ania. Hydrolysis of ester back to acid and alcohol. Ester liquid no chia kan tuihan react dia a hydrolyze acid and alcohol kan separate ni. So we a backward reaction to trans esterification reaction kan dia. Amar so backward step hi do forward do ti do ni chuan he a byproduct water in seal na hi remove amai. As soon as the byproduct water is formed, it has to be removed. It removes chia kan ester low hydrolyzed state to ko lo so an reaction to irreversible reaction followed to the frame esterification so ani then headline concentrated sulfuric acid strong acid oxalate acid here dry hydrochloric acid if dry hydrochloric acid is used instead of concentrated sulfuric acid reaction is called Fisher's pair esterification reaction point of acidic dehydration of alcohol dehydration removal of water in any water removed on alcohol and what is alcohol acid in ethanol acid here strong acid sulfuric acid so temperature was 443 Kelvin 170 degrees Celsius to 180 degrees Celsius that temperature alcohol sulfuric acid heat here alcohol can dehydration which OH minus actual masakota chuanin heta carbon carbocation C plus chuanin hetilai na hydrogen to pathum ji ka pakha hydrogen ion H plus kan chuwa C minus o ma 2C minus double bonus only CH2 CH2 Kita alkene siam. Temperature 440 Kelvin. Degree centigrade zasok sekian kan rupiah sekian filter. Le, so itu kan degree zasok seri cuma berhitungan dihadiri sampai alkohol berkurang hingga alkene siam dora. Amar tu temperature kan zasok seri ada usam. Kalau zasok ni tengah zasok seri kan alun hituan. Heavy alcohol molecule kan what dihadiri sampai suatu kewa. He alcohol molecule dia alcohol molecule dalam ni ekama. Cuan dihadiri sampai itu dora. Cuma cuan ether. Diethyl ether, ino ethoxy ethane kita ASEAN okay ni. Le, kita alcohol na dihydration sampai kemudian dengan step involved dengan filter apa yang lain, mechanism yang sinama. He alcohol molecule dia sulfuric acid ni. Sulfuric acid ni dia satu H plus oke dia. H plus ni alnis konsep bacuan halogen ion dia. Gross glory konsep bacuan proton dia dalam. So ni oxygen ni group 6 ni apa valence elektron parukan ni. Parugzingan pahnya tu bon siaman, hela mabon siaman pakatan mga, hela pakatan mga. Parugzingan pahnya tu bon siaman, hela bangin manlok bali lada. Lone pair ni. Here lone pair of electron diyan, proton naka, kaya accept mga. Protonation of alcohol molecule ka first step atin ani. So ano second step atin? Oxygen radian positive charge dia. Atau mina plus ni rene cuan elektron among motina. Ya elektron among motina lo kita. Cuan oksigen na carbon tingkara bond situ elektron apa dihan oksigen na makara dehydration ating dona ni. Cuan CH patungan ya CH2 dia plus. Kalau kita lihat itu orang kemudian CH3 berziat nama. Cuan jika pasal itu dikisah samsari le acunan pangsina kan hituan. Hentirai kan hian halogen tu hisap itu ni H plus ini. Cuan ini apa sih tu itu nampak yang double bond atau apa? Alkene siang ma H plus proton hisap leceh dona. Hisap leceh kan di proton ini seperti ini. Condition pandita soal kita ni cuan zasong sari ai dia zasong ni kan zasong sari kari kita ni cuan heavy kan dia H sokero cuan he karbo kata dia he tidak alkohol molecule kita lang ka alkohol molecule dam ka ari ek dia lah dikan cuan ini kan dia oksigen he plus cuan among molecule kita dia awalnya H yang karbo sih itu company awalnya bakal kan also then the protonation I think you know. Ether siapa? Then alcohol sulfuric acid very high temperature itu 380 Kelvin 100 to 140 very heat one ether kan sulfuric acid dona. Tulen ऐसा पूरा वाला प्रेम वाले alcohol ni. Cina kan yang jauh primary alcohol is one, secondary alcohol tinggi, abinektif zokan tin, tertiary alcohol ti abinektif zokan. Mengenai acidic strength kan dua abinektif DKN is one. Dehydration kan dua, tulis dua. OH satu masa total H plus is one yang OH minus satu C plus kalau kita lihat itu nanti kita ambil itu tiga. Primary itu 440 dengan zasong seri alilai, zasong seri lain memulai kan. Secondary itu kita ini ada bukan malu 440 malu 373 100 dengan sedikit beda. Jadi sebenarnya dia alkene siapa? Then tertiary itu ada itu berapa cukup mana berapa? 298 Kelvin. Room temperature 25 degrees centigrade. I'll give information I think. Kita dia sulfuric acid ne na indicate ni chuan the addition 100 degrees centigrade ai na singa heta OH le heta is chuan copy na siya dia intercell also a reactive to pa strong acid sulfuric acid ne 25 degrees centigrade ka heat man the addition ni do ni la OH le H na so ba to be high propane siya do yani le ko la pale na chuan oxidation kan le ma reduction to tama say to reduction to addition of H2 ani dia reduction to chuan reducing agent of high le reduction opposite to oxidation dia reduction addition of H2 ni chuan oxidation as one removal of H2 ni dia chuan oxidation to acting as an oxidizing agent nani oxidizing agent tak dia potassium permanganate de potassium dichromate the sulfuric acid nitric acid heavily oxidizing agent kan hon lade chu ni tani le OH som tu carbon dam pa cho ni bangin primary alcohol dia OH som tu carbon dam pa ni dia secondary alcohol ni chuan oxidizing agent iman chekan oxidizing agent chuan he compound oxidize wana oxidation kan is removal of H2 hetila hydrogen tom pakhat le tila hydrogen tom pakhat chuan chuan CH3 lo ya CH pakhat na nga o NH to lo double bond ACN bond primary alcohol deoxidase wa carbonyl ko carbon H ne hydrogen to chuan aldehyde CMA he aldehyde functional group zong wa chuan n oxidase also ne acham chu carbonyl carbon le hydrogen to direct connection ni bangin chuan oxidase agent apo aqueous oxidant ho hemo hi inma ni chuan primary alcohol deoxidase aldehyde CH3 reaction ho automatically carboxylic acid alcohol zero he aldehyde ni functional group zong in oxidase also direct amar so primary alcohol to aldehyde CM dua acid oxidase reaction to event one ni chuan aqueous oxidant diluin anhydrous oxidant kan ngai chu pyridinium chlorochromate kan dia pyridinium chu pyridinium ni bangin dia ma chloro he pyridinium chlorochromate hi anhydrous oxidant ni aqueous oxidant mu chu ho ina he ho imang li chuan primary alcohol is first oxidized to aldehyde and then oxidized to acid please anhydrous oxidant PCC2 pyridinium chlorochromate dia oxidase agent ho li chuan primary alcohol ka aldehyde oxidase ma chuan ni acid ka oxidase agent to pa alcohol na ve ka do le hey secondary alcohol dia potassium permanganate oxidizing agent dia oxidizing agent ho chuan oxidation translate to oxidation to removal of H2 ni kan dia hetila H remove na CH3 heta CH ni do lo CH3 dia dia chuan OH ni do lo karen ko ho carbon ko siama hei ki to ba do ta aldehyde ki to da so aldehyde chuan hydrogen is directly attached to carbon bas ito na chuan he carbon here alpha group he chuma chu compound oxidase also ni lewa second alcohol oxidase han ito na CMI ka base tertiary alcohol kan dia ha OH zone 2 C here alcohol C dang pathuma ne chu achani tertiary alcohol ni oxidizing agent ba mai e oxidize dona oxidation so removal of H kuba dia headline H le alpha H remove ituma alpha H ne lo chu achon tertiary alcohol ni compound oxidation ba ni e oxidase dukkat ni chon he oxidizing agent hi it is from here maya acidify chemical for se ba bere ha oxidizing agent as from here to oxidize to oxidize one second alcohol one ke ko same ba headline H ne se between so ko ito ako siya awal so tertiary alcohol acuan alpha hydrogen ni hiu ovramin compound oxidase tosamilo ye compound ni ten oxidase tertiary kuba amar chu oxidizing agent has from field is one oxidase reaction le property pamana kali pamana acuan dehydrogenation tuna kan serzochi oxidation ni khan atum chui na oxidation to removal of hydrogen, removal of H2 kan dia. Dehydrogenation for removal of H2 puni. Amar to adam amar to removal of H2 kan so chi akan to oxidizing agent mama remove dan dia. Dona chuan oxidizing agent mama copper mama remove dan ni dona ni. Ethyl alcohol primary alcohol dia temperature sampai dia dengan sedikit kira. Ini cekkan dehydrogenation, removal of hydrogen from the primary alcohol aldehyde, acetaldehyde ethanol nanti bokasi apa? Ini primary alcohol aldehyde siapa iman lagi copper dia temperature sama copper ni kan mix ni. Di sini akan tuan oxidizing agent apa nak bagi? Ha oxidizing agent apa tu apa? He aldehyde acid akan proses ni dia. Masa tu nanti oxidizing agent apa dia? Primary alcohol ha dehydrogenation kan aldehyde acid reaction apa? Le secondary alcohol kan dia apa? With red hot at 573 Kelvin, 10 degrees centigrade in area. Katakan dehydrogenation, removal of hydrogen. Kita hydrogen tu nanti masuk dia. Itu orang siap orang ni. Tertiary alcohol kan dia lah. Ini adalah tertiary alcohol oxidase kilo ang bukan dehydrogenation harus betan. Asal tu kita lain hydroxyla H umasila kita alpha yang hydrogen itu mana itu tertiary alcohol. There is no alpha hydrogen. Cuma tu dehydrogenation also ada kilo ini. Dehydration things of dona, pH of dona. Kita lain OH de H berfungsi abetan ni so. OH minus is so pertama John Abitali H so mana? Jadi this one CH3C CH3 le double CH2. Two methyl propane alkene allyl daun ini je. So chemical properties kalau zero tu ni kan pemang asal yang pemasi ada tuna kan zero je. Dehydrogenation of alcohol with copper at 573 Kelvin kan dia. Point number 4 adalah oxidation of alcohol kan dia. Then point number 2 adalah reactivity of alcohol kan dia. How alcohol distinguish na naman dia ni. Then control ta yung result na dia ni sila sila ko sa dia. in lo ke ka bai se ko le